Hey everybody, Mr. B here. We've got something very special for you today. We are going to do a peach cobbler. All right, now I'm going to tell you, I am not a baker. All right, I don't profess to be one. Might be something I start learning as we go with this thing, but we'll see. But even I can do this, and it's delicious. It is so easy, as you will see. A couple of notes here. I'm using peaches, which I'll talk about a little bit more as we go. But you can use any type of fruit. Blueberries, you could use apples, you can do strawberries. You know, I've heard tell of nectarine cobbler. I don't know how good that would be, but here we see. Fresh is best. If you can't get fresh fruit, use frozen and follow these instructions. I try to stay away from the can, but at the end of the day, if that's all you got, it's all you got. Come along for this ride, click subscribe, and let's get to going with a peach cobbler. Okay, here's a pro tip, guys. When you're doing a video, a cooking video of any sort, any shape, form, or fashion, turn your damn microphone on for your audio. Unfortunately, all of this is going to be dub over. Sue me. I'm not going to let it worry me. You'll get the picture here. This is too easy. So, you know, whatever. Okay, let's start with ingredient breakdown. I have 2 quart bags of fresh peaches that I sourced from the Crow Mountain Orchards in northeast Alabama. We get a peck of 2 of these every summer specifically to freeze for our holiday cobbler. 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of sugar. You got 3/4 cup of flour, and then 3/4 cup of milk. And obviously, you need something to cook it in. So this is a small little baking dish. Now in a sauce pot, I put the peaches in, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Just brings out that peach flavor. We're going to do a pinch of water on in this as well, as you'll see. And I'm going to sort of warm these through. Now you don't want to boil them down. You're not making a jam, but you just kind of want to start waking up these peaches so that they are super delicious for your cobbler. Now moving on to what I love to call the goo. You're going to add the sugar and the flour together. Comme ça. And then, you know, kind of whisk that to get it all, you know, incorporated. A little mixy, as we like to say. And then you just kind of slowly add your milk in. And you want to incorporate that thoroughly. Doesn't that look good? Okay. Now we're back to our peaches. You see, just warming them through. Just waking them up just a little bit so they're happy. So preheated oven, 350. You're gonna stick that butter in that baking dish and let that melt on up. Look at that. Hell, that looks good just on its own, right? Now this part's a little counterintuitive, but trust me, it works. This is what I guess makes a cobbler a cobbler. Add your goo or your batter into that melted butter, spreading evenly. You would think you would start with the peaches first, but no ma'am. Just get it all nice and even. Do not stir. And at this point, you're going to start layering that delicious, sweet, syrupy, delicious peach goodness. You want to make sure that you're getting it all nice and even. There you have it. Again, do not stir it. Okay, this has been going about 40 minutes now, and we're back with sound, obviously, right? That was great. Let's give it a check. Ooh. Isn't that beautiful? I think I'm going to call that done. You're going to want it to sort of rest a little while, come together. It is best, y'all, warm, but you know, this has to sit for a minute. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to get into it because, well, it's for Thanksgiving tomorrow, but you know what? Mom's at the liquor store getting her whiskey. Maybe I need to test it, you know, quality control. Let's see what we got here. Hell yeah! There you have it, guys. Peach cobbler. It is so easy. I'm not a baker, like I mentioned. You can pull it off. It's absolutely delicious. That's Mr. B. Click subscribe. Come along for the ride. You guys have a great holiday. We're going to see you next time.